This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. If you are renewing the left-hand headlight bulb, prise up the retaining clip and remove the air intake water deflector. Prise up the centre pins, remove the 4 plastic expansion rivets, then remove the plastic grille between the headlights. The grille panel is secured by 3 or 4 screws. Undo the screws, then carefully prise the ends of the panel from the bumper and remove the grille panel. Undo the 2 bolts at the top edge and the bolt on the underside, then pull the headlight forwards a little. Note their fitter positions, then disconnect the various wiring plugs from the rear of the headlight. Peel away the rubber boot, then press the ends of the bulb retaining clip forwards a little. Move them to the side and pivot the clip downwards. Withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the bulb into the reflector with the locating lug uppermost. The bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Fold up the retaining clip and press the ends downwards to engage them with the catches. Refit the rubber boot to the rear of the headlight. Reconnect the headlight wiring plugs to their original locations. Maneuver the headlight into position, ensuring the clip at the outer edge engages correctly. Refit the 3 headlamp retaining bolts and tighten them securely. Position the grille panel, clip the ends into place, then refit and tighten the retaining screws. Refit the plastic panel, clipping it into the grille panel, then insert the plastic expansion rivets. Press down the centre pins to secure the rivets. Refit the air intake water deflector and secure it with the retaining clip. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the wing. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's secure.